Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Phprunner is a powerful tool that allows you to create web applications quickly and easily. It can generate PHP code for database-driven applications and provides features to build REST APIs. In this tutorial, I will guide you through creating your own REST API using Phprunner v10, along with code examples. Step 1. Setting up Phprunner. 1. Download and install Phprunner. If you haven't done so already, download Phprunner from the official website and install it on your system. 2. Create a new project. Open Phprunner and create a new project by selecting your database connection. Step 2. Designing your database. Before creating the REST API, ensure you have a database and at least one table. For this example, let's assume you have a table called products with the following fields: ID, int, primary key, name, varchar, price, decimal, description, text. Step 3. Configuring the REST API. 1. Enable REST API. In Phprunner, go to the Settings menu and select REST API. Check the Enable REST API option. This will allow Phprunner to generate API endpoints for your application. 2. Select the table. Choose the products table from the list of tables in your database. 3. Configure API settings. You can customize the API settings, such as authentication methods, output formats, JSON or XML, and allowed HTTP methods, get, post, put, delete. For this example, we'll use JSON format and allow all methods. Step 4. Generate the REST API. 1. Build the project. After configuring your API settings, click on the Build button to generate the PHP code. 2. Run the project. Phprunner will create a folder with your project files. You can run the project on a local server, like XAMPP or WAMP, or deploy it on a web server. Step 5. Testing the REST API. Once your project is running, you can test your REST API using tools like Postman or curl. Here are some example API calls. 1. Get all products, get. 2. Get a single product, get. 3. Create a new product, post. 4. Update a product, put. 5. Delete a product, delete. Step 6. Implementing authentication, optional. If you want to secure your API, you can implement authentication. Phprunner allows you to use token-based authentication. You can set this up in the Settings rightward arrow Security section. Conclusion: you've successfully created a REST API using Phprunner v10. This API can be used for various applications, and you can expand it by adding more tables, endpoints, and functionalities as needed. Additional resources: Phprunner documentation. Refer to the official Phprunner documentation for detailed information on advanced features. API testing tools. Use tools like Postman or curl for testing your API endpoints effectively. Feel free to modify the code and settings according to your project requirements. Happy coding!